Where are we? Hurry, get up. David, isn't that the place? This is the place where the aliens. Come on, we gotta get back out. Where was the last? It looks like there is no aliens, but one. Where was the last place? Where could we have died? Where did we start? Wait. David, did you see those aliens?
Yeah.
You run. David, wait! Run!
I am.
Watch
The aliens gonna get us as we go in.
out, they're shooting us!
Whoa.
Where are they? Hide.
Whoa. Man, they'll be the craziest in the world.
What did I see?
Did you see them? Yes.
They're
right behind us.
Just hurry. We're making a movie.
We're making a movie in history. Whoa.
Oh gosh, no! Oh, hey! I'll get you to the end of us. No!